My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively get rid of the ransomware that is called Scorp. Scorp is a ransomware type threat which currently attacks many computers all over the world. This ransomware tries to damage the files by means of encrypting them. Before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening the files. People can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation easily. Unfortunately, due to certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, the ransomware called Scorp and many other ransomware type infections may soon inject the system, and this happens because of certain vulnerabilities in the existing security software. This ransomware may damage the files and make them unusable. The ransomware then adds a special extension to the files, and it tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. So people may suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files. You may trace this particular Scorp ransomware by means of Task Manager if you are able to access it, but very often the majority of ransomware type infections may even block the Task Manager application too. So, these are the results of the ransomware attack. You can clearly see that the ransomware has added some data after the main file extension. So there is some email address, some unique identifier added, and finally this Scorp extension. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, remember that paying the ransom does not guarantee the file recovery. So, if you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money absolutely for nothing. We strongly advise that you immediately undertake the measures to get rid of this Scorp ransomware as soon as possible. Paying the ransom, on one hand, does not guarantee that the files would be restored. On the other hand, if you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money for nothing. To remove this particular ransomware, we recommend you to download the special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it through the browser Internet Explorer. Go to Program Files directory, choose Internet Explorer browser. Start Internet Explorer browser, and you need to go to the special page called combocleaner.com. The point is that during the attack of this ransomware, the computer may function in a very slow manner. So this is what happens with my computer right now. Combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Download the software through this official website combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download the software, install the application, and you may now clearly see that the ransomware called Scorp has also changed the desktop background, the desktop wallpaper on the infected computer. So anyway, after you download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. Initially it is in the trial version, so the quick scan option is only available. Click on Start Scan button. The program begins researching your system, and it will give you the summary of threats that were found during the scan. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So while the quick scan is in progress, You need to wait some time until it is completed. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type infections. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt these files. So if you see that your files have been encrypted by the Scorp file virus, Combo Cleaner will not decrypt them. The ransomware gives this scary message mentioning that all your files have been encrypted, and the ransomware tells that the victims need to contact the developers using this email address and some other email address. But contacting these criminals, of course, is the waste of time. They only hunt for your money and they don't intend to help you. All their missions are just to damage your files and to force you into paying the ransom. So do not pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware called Scorp, which is the premium license of Combo Cleaner, and this way your data will always be protected. You may always request a free trial of the program. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.